Alright, now Samsung has started rolling out a brand new update for its Samsung Notes application, which brings in a brand new feature. So in this video, let's go ahead and take a look at this change. As you can see, the version number is 4.4.01.2 and the update size is about 86.45 MB. In the change log, it says added options to selection mode and then some bug fixes as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at this new option that we have got on the selection mode. Let's open Notes application. I will tap on create a new note and I'll just draw something over here. Now here at the bottom you see this is the selection mode option. I'll tap on this. These are the two options we get, lasso and rectangle selection mode, and below this you see this is the brand new toggle now we have got. It says include partially selected objects. Now let me tell you what exactly this means. Let me just close this. Now you can see we have got a few rectangles drawn here. I'll enable the selection mode. I'll just select rectangle selection. Now this selection mode enables me to select this particular image which I have drawn here. As you can see, I will draw this rectangle on this entire image. It is selecting the entire image here. Now, if I want to select only a portion of this image, it wasn't that easy to do it. As you can see, I'm not able to select these drawings partially here. This is when this toggle include partially selected objects come into play. Now let me just enable this. Now after I enable this toggle and I just draw a square here, you see this portion of the image is being selected. Now this doesn't always work precisely. It all depends on the drawing, the way you have drawn on the note or the content which is available on the note. So be wary of that. But certainly this is a useful feature that we have got to include partially selected objects. Certainly this is a minor feature, but it may be useful for many of you guys out there. Let me know, what do you think? Do you really use this selection mode when you use the Samsung Notes application? Drop a comment, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you find it useful. That's all with this all new update. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.